Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily set a colorful filter on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please put likes and write comments after watching this video. So let us be with you to get started. If you want to set a filter on your iPhone image, it is very easy to do so. To do that, you can go to the camera and take a photo or video. After that, go to the gallery and select the image you took earlier. So that you can edit it, click on it so that you have this menu at the bottom. And select this option right here. Click on the three bars. So you will go to edit your media file. The next thing you'll need to do is click on the filters option. And you will see that there are different filters here. And you can choose the one that you like the most. Let's say the brightest one. You can also adjust the contrast of this filter. You'll see a little slider underneath it, and you'll need to move it. This way, you will be able to see if the photo is more saturated by the filter or less. Now, in order to save your changes, you will need to click Done on the top right. This is how you can easily set any colorful filter on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to give it a like. See you, friends.